Hello guys, and welcome to my latest project. This time I wanted to do 3D models that look like gym equipment because I am a gym rat. But I wanted to do 3D models that look like gym equipment but also serve a purpose. So all these 3D models that you see right here, they have a function, so let me show them to you one by one. Okay, the first 3D model is the squat rack. This is a desktop or office gadget where you can store your post-it notes, and instead of having barbells you have pens, pencils or whatever, and it is super easy to assemble. So let me show you that. So when you print the file, the only thing you will need to probably glue, that depends on the tolerances of your printer, is the pins right here, but the rest you will just snap it in place like this. It fits together and like this with a light tap, and that's it. That's how you assemble the squat rack. So for the next one we have a kettlebell that looks quite simple, but it is a bottle opener and it has a coin inside, a 2-cent euro coin. You can use a coin or a washer. And to insert the coin, you just need to make a pause while it's printing, place the coin in place, and resume your print. I'm gonna show you how you do it with your slicer, but right now, let me show you how good this works. You just put it like this and there you go. Cheers. I forgot to tell you something really important about the bottle opener, and it is that it has an embedded magnet inside, so you can stick it to your fridge. So when you load your kettlebell into your slicer, you will of course slice the file, and you will have to add a color change. Let me show you right there. We will add a color change. In Prusa Slicer you just press this last button. So what will happen is that the printer will pause, the print head will move, you will be able to place your coin and resume your print. And also you will have to do the same if you want to add a magnet. Here's a pocket for a magnet. You will have to do the same right there, and that's it. Okay, the next one. You have probably seen these at your gym. These are racks where you can store the plates when you're not using them, but in this case it stores coasters. Yep, so as simple as that. And this one also assembles and disassembles really easily, so let me show you. So the base can be snapped into place and the pins are threaded. So you will print this flat like this like this, and the pins in this direction. So it's super easy to assemble and to ship in case you're selling this online. This one is quite simple. This is a protein scoop for your protein powder. You just scoop your powder and it fits 30 grams of protein scoop, which is a regular scoop size. So I really like this one. The next one is really cool as well. This is a key hanger. So you stick this to the wall, you stick it to the wall using something like double-sided tape, and you just hang your keys. So this one is really cool. I really like it. Let's check the next one. And finally, the most obvious one, a beer koozie. You just place your can inside and enjoy your cold drink. I hope you guys like this collection. If you like the 3D models, I will link them below. You can buy all of them as a bundle, or you can join my Patreon and you will get access to all these files and many more, and also commercial rights. And well, if you like the video, maybe consider subscribing or just leave me a message below. I read all of them. Comment below and I will answer you. Bye bye.